How to change your name on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your name on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in. Then head over to the bottom right corner on the menu. After you do that, head over to your profile. Simply tap on your settings on the top right. After you do that, then you'll find a lot of your settings. You will need to head over to Meta's account setting. And after you're there, you'll find your personal details and stuff like that. So let's head over to personal details. And there you won't find anything relating to your name and stuff. So head over to your information. And even there, you won't find anything. So what you'll need to do in that case is head over to your profiles. Head over to the profile that you want to update. And there you'll find your name, your username, and other stuff. So tap on your name, and under your name, there you can see you can change your name, but you can't change it again for 60 days. So there is a limit to how many times you can change it. So if you change it once, you can't change it for the next 2 months. So let's add a name here, then tap on review change. And after you've done that, it will just change it. Now, since my account is for business, it's not letting me do that, but yeah, you should be able to change your names. And that's basically all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.